Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to make a cinematic opening by Capcut only with your iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just go create a project, and you can also choose your previous project itself. So here I already have this video, but then I already have applied the blur effect on it, so I would like to remove it first by go delete this clip. So this is the original video that I have, and to make this to create an opening video become cinematic, I will suggest you to apply a blur effect. So the way to apply the blur effect is just go make the straight line is standing into the beginning of the clip, and you just need to go back and go click this effects button, and after that you just need to go click this video effects and just try to find a blur effect on it. And then you just need to choose the blur effects that you want to have. You can do this blur closed here, and after that you just need to go click cancel and go click done, and make sure that you also lengthen it this duration. And here is the command result. Now let's make it become more cinematic. The way to do that is just go back, and we need to go add the animation for the clip. By click the clip, go into the animations, and in this in part just find a fade in, adjusting the durations, and jump into the out, find the fade out, adjusting the durations too. And here is the result. So it can be your cinematic opening. So that's the way how to create a cinematic opening by Capcut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.